Hey, welcome to Roman to Yoga. I'm Casey, and in today's yoga sequence, each posture is going to be held for 1 minute. So if that is of interest to you, then please keep watching. Thanks. Come to a comfortable seated position. Curl your toes under. Place a bend in your knees. Sit onto your heels. Draw your navel in and up. Lift and lower the arms up overhead. Draw your navel in and up. Lengthen out through your spine and set this into motion at your own breath's pace. Create space between the top and bottom rows of teeth. Soften the muscles around your eyes and draw your awareness in. Next time your hands reach up overhead, clasp them. Clasp onto your elbows and make small circles just above your head. Circle the arms in the opposite direction. Lower the hands down. Draw your hands to heart center. Turn your awareness in. Take a big breath in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. If this posture is uncomfortable, note that you can lower the tops of the feet down onto the mat. Release the posture. Set down onto the mat. Grab your blocks. Separate your feet. Open up to as wide as comfortable. Place the hands behind you. Sit up tall. Point your toes towards the ceiling. Draw the low belly in and up. Slightly hip hinge forward. Keep your core tight and engaged. Notice that there is no rounding in your spine today. Think of hinging from your hips. Move your blocks, if you had them, over to your right foot and hip hinge towards your foot. If you don't go very far today, that's okay. Point your toes towards the ceiling. Create a micro bend in your knees. Draw your low belly in and up. Notice your attention is right here in this space. Take a big breath in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Move your blocks to frame your left foot. Point your toes towards the ceiling. Place a micro bend in your knee. Hip hinge forward. Draw your low belly in and up. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out through your nose. Don't focus on how far you're bending. Thank yourself for just showing up and making time for you. Take a big breath in, exhale through your mouth. Bring your blocks to the center. Point your toes towards the ceiling. Place a slight bend into your knees. Draw your low belly in and up. Fold towards your feet. Keep your back as straight as you possibly can. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Close your eyes. Your physical body is on the mat. Where is your mind? Bring your mind to the mat. Breathe in and out through your nose. Release the posture. Step the feet. Place a bend in your knees. Lower your knees to the right. Take your gaze to the left. Lower your knees to the left. Take a gaze to your right. Digest what you just did. Come to a comfortable seated position. Draw your hands to heart center, and always, always commend yourself for making time for you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.